Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today I have the RWPP or Rose War Panty Power box, so let's get in here and see what we've got. Rose War Panty Power is $37.50 per month. That includes shipping. It is a box for women to help you get past that monthly time and maybe make it a little more pleasant. Each month you will receive a couple of pair of underwear, you will receive some personal products for that time of the month, you will receive lifestyle products, and you will receive some snacks to help you get through. If you have any interest in this, I will put my link below with Kathrin 30 and that will get you 30% off your first box. But it also gets you 30% off in their boutique. And Rose War Panty Power has added a boutique, and again, you can get to it through the link I will put below. And you'll get 30% off in the boutique with my code too. So when she sent out this box, which is a well-traveled box, it never made it to me the first time, and it actually ended up back with her, so she had to ship it out again, so I have it now. But in the box, she actually sent me something from the boutique, which was so nice. I do receive this box free for review, but you will always get my honest review. From the boutique, I have this. How cute is this? I don't even know what's in here. Let's open it up. Oh, it's pretty so far. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And it will work into spring because it's such an open weave. It's a sweater. Can you guys tell? It's like red and blue, and it has creams in it. But the arm, it's like it's open, like almost like a granny square. Not quite, but it almost has a granny square feel. I'll have to wear a camisole under it because I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can see you. Can you see me? And then the body of it is a stripe, and the bottom goes back into a really pretty. This is so pretty, and it feels so soft. Oh my gosh. So this is from her boutique, and if this is something you like, it's an UMG. It is a size large. Her boutique only goes up to large for most things now. But that said, look at this. I usually am an extra large, but whenever she's talked about sending me things in the past, so many products run a little larger or oversized, and I think the thing that I looked at actually told you that on the website, but this is more than big enough for me. Like I said, it's a large, but I mean, that's just more than big enough. That is so pretty. Thank you so much. That is so pretty. All right, let's get into the subscription box. Like I said, it is $37.50 each month, but that includes shipping and handling. And when we open it up, we're gonna have underwear and monthly products and lifestyle products. That is what the paperwork looks like. And it's always done so nicely. Oh, when we open it up, it's still full of surprises, and I don't know what's in it. This is, I believe, the February box. Like I said, she sent it to me. It was returned to her. She had to return it to me. I had laryngitis. Here we are. But this is the February box. So if you sign up now, this is not the products that you will receive, but it's the same feel. You get the real feel for the box. When we open this up, this will tell us there are different options that can be in each box each month. And she just checks off the one that you receive. But you know what? Let me just go ahead and reach in so I can tell you this as we go along. Each month you will receive 15 100% organic period products or none. You can decide. So if this is something that you no longer need in your life, you can opt out of that and instead you'll get another lifestyle product. Or if you want only the tampons or only the pads, you can do that also. So there's a lot of flexibility in this box to make it work for you. Next, we have our snacks. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab all of the snacks. Let me put my glasses on. I don't wanna miss any of this. We have an Belgian Boys Life is Short, Eat a Cookie. Cookie, that's really fun. A Kind Breakfast Honey and Oat Bar. I love Kind bars, so I'm super excited about that. We have a Stretch Island Raspberry Fruit Leather, 100% fruit. And then we have Skittles and Twizzlers. So fun little snacks to help you when you might have a sweet tooth, you know, that point of the month. Okay, you also get, and we'll just get these over with right away. And I know, that's just the worst attitude, right? Get these over with. I'm just shy. I know, you guys are like, are you? Yes, I am. So let's talk about the underwear. When you sign up for this, you will go on and you will let them know what size you are. And they do sizes small to 3XL. So my first pair, I love this. They're a brief, but can you guys see the stitching at the top is so nice. And then down the side, it's got, I hope that's coming across. I'm gonna keep doing this so that I know the light will catch it in some way. It's like an open, here, perfect. All the way down both sides. How fun is that? and this one is a full brief. So that is super cute. That may be one of my favorite pair I've ever received. That is super cute. And my other one, and this is also something that you can control. There are so many things about this box that you can have a say over. I got a brief and a thong, but if you only want thongs, you can let her know. Or if you don't want any thongs, you can let her know. But this is my thong, and it's super pretty. Oh, it's not a thong. Oh, it's not a thong. I was gonna say this is my thong, but I didn't. I got, this one is just a hipster. So this month I got a full, no thong, I got a full hipster. I kind of like the thongs, but I will admit, this is probably more me. Really pretty. It's kind of a satiny fabric, and look how pretty that print is. It's a really good size too, I can tell just by looking at it. And it looks like it has, you know, the ones that have the disappearing, like, so you don't end up with panty lines? That's what this looks like. Well, those were both really awesome this month. And see, now we've done the panty portions. I can quit blushing and we can move on with our lives. Okay, and then next you get 3 to 4 lifestyle products. Unless, like I said, if you choose not to get the monthly products, you can get yet another lifestyle product. Right on top, as we saw, I have masks. Mavy masks, adjustable face mask. One size fits most, ages 6+. That is really pretty. I like that a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this in here for now because if by chance I don't use this, I wanna be able to pass it along. Adjustable mask, filter packet, nose wire. I mean, this is a really, see how it comes with a filter that will slide down into it? Plus I can feel up top, it has a nose wire. So you can really make it fit well, and that's important. That is awesome. That's a really, for me, that's a perfect thing to get in a box. Next, I have a Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Limited edition, infused with vitamins, essential oils, and botanical extracts for a brighter, more even skin tone. Let me check the ingredients. I can definitely use this. By the way, the price on this is $39.90. The price on the mask was $15.99. And when we take this out, that is what that looks like. I can't do it justice. My hand is so, probably almost better without my hand. That's what it looks like. Oh, it smells really nice. Let's just put a drop on my hand, rub it in, see if we like it. Oh, it feels really nice. You know, it's just an oil. It is just the feel of an oil, but it is absorbing really nicely. All right, nice shiny hands. That had a $39.90 value, so this alone pays for your box. Next we have, we get these each month too. This one's, psst, you're a genius. I don't know what, rose water. So this one is rose water, and they're just wipes for cleansing that you can take on the go if you need a pick-me-up. You can use them in your house also, but this is rose water. I don't think I've ever had the rose water ones before, so that's kind of neat. And last, oh, found another cookie. So we have another cookie. Last, I have the Pickles Potions Natural Lash and Brow Growth Serum, and it is vegan. That is really cool. These have been really popular in boxes lately, and I'm gonna use them. I'm gonna use all of them. I'm gonna use them until I have so much facial hair I'm gonna have to shave because I need to do something about my eyebrows. They are trying to go away and it's not cool. It's not cool. This has castor oil, camellia seed oil, rosehip seed oil, sea buckthorn, vitamin E, vitamin glycerin, candelilla wax, elderberry, lavender, frankincense, and rosemary. Apply to clean brows and lashes in the evening. Don't use with any mascara as it may cause it to run. All right, let's take it out. Oh, this is the first one I've ever seen that had a color. Look, it's yellow, kind of mustardy colored. That is interesting. You can't really see it on the, oh yeah, there we go. It smells good. What's that smell? Lavender. I think it smells like lavender. That is really cool. It is handcrafted in Maine. That is what that looks like. And this has a $16 value. So that is my War Panty Power. Again, that's not what you will get if you order it now. This is last month. But if you have any interest in going over, checking out the site, checking out her boutique, because she's got some really cute stuff in that boutique, I will put the link below and my code Kathrin30, which, like I said, not only gets you 30% off your first box, but it also gets you 30% off in the boutique. So this month we got the mask, the Dr. Botanicals face oil, the Pickles Potion lash serum, which I can't wait to try. We got a couple of the Good Wipes packages, our fistfuls of snacks, our adorable, adorable undies. I'm always happy with my undies, but I'm super happy this month. And our monthly products. So all of that for $37.50. Let me know below what you think. Let me know below if you have any questions. If it's not something I know, I will try and find it out for you. Thank you so much for coming by and checking this out. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will see you really soon, and take care out there, guys. Bye.